Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to take data from a Google form. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to be opening up the official Google Forms website right here, docs.google.com/forms if you have not already. This is now going to greet us with this main page where we can get started logging into our Google account in the upper right corner. If you do not already have an account, what you want to do is go and sign up for a new account, and once you have gotten your Google account ready, log in, and now we can get started. So by logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where we have the option to go ahead and get started creating a new form right here. As you can see on, we can take a look at all the forms we have already created. So how can we extract data from a form? We have gotten to take a look at the responses. Well, it's very easy. What we want to do is open up the form that we want to take the data from. So as you can see here, I have a tutorial form that I'm going to be using. And basically guys, to go ahead and extract data, all we need to do is just click the responses option right here at the top of the page. Here, as you can see, we have this tab with multiple options, and once you click responses, you'll be able to take a look at all the responses that people have put to your form, and you can take a look at their answers and so on, so that you can get what you need. Then you can go ahead and extract it from here. As you can see guys, you can download the responses and so on to get started, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.